Are you tired of bulky pianos that take up too much space? Here are the 5 best foldable digital pianos I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, AI Joy Asp 10F. The AI Joy Asp 10F caught my eye right away with its sleek design and full 88-key layout, priced at just $115.49. If you want a solid entry-level piano that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. What stands out here are the 88 semi-weighted keys, which strike a nice balance for beginners. This means you can play with enough resistance to mimic an acoustic piano without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, it's packed with 128 tones and rhythms, so you can experiment and find your unique sound. Imagine connecting it to your favorite music apps via the USB MIDI port. It opens up a world of creative possibilities for practice and fun. And at only 8.8 pounds, you can take it anywhere, making it perfect for jam sessions or just playing around the house. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's not just a keyboard, it's a full musical experience that can go wherever you do. However, some users mentioned it can feel a bit lightweight, which might concern serious players looking for a more substantial feel. Now, some people complained about that, but here's the thing: if you're a beginner or someone who needs portability, the weight is actually a plus. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or if you need something that's easy to transport. Skip this one if you're an advanced player seeking a heavier, more professional piano experience. Honestly, for its price, it offers great value for budding musicians. Now, if the AI Joy's lightweight feel bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach with added features. Product number 2, JTSIOV 61 Key Keyboard. Next up is the JTSIOV 61 Key Keyboard, which retails for $76.99. I was really drawn to its portability and the fact that it has lighted keys, making it super beginner-friendly. If you want a fun and interactive way to learn, this is definitely worth checking out. The lighted keys guide you through songs, which is honestly a brilliant feature for newbies. You can also connect it to MIDI apps, which makes practicing feel like a game. Plus, with 200 tones and 300 rhythms, you have endless options to explore musical creativity. It even has a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 8 hours, making it perfect for taking to parties or classes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's not just about playing, it's about learning and having fun simultaneously. However, some users pointed out that the 61 keys might feel limiting for those used to a full-size piano. Now, I get that concern, but for beginners, this can actually help you focus on mastering the basics without feeling overwhelmed. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun, portable option to learn and play. Skip this one if you want a full 88-key experience or if you're serious about performing. For the price, though, it's a great way to get started. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a full-size experience. Product number 3, EYTSE 88-Key Folding Piano. Next is the EYTSE 88-Key Folding Piano, priced at $166.78. I was impressed by its sound quality, and it's designed for serious beginners and beyond. If you want a full-sized experience with portability, this is worth considering. Equipped with 88 semi-weighted keys, this piano offers a realistic touch, allowing for greater dynamic control. It features 2 premium built-in speakers that deliver rich, detailed tones, making it feel like you're playing an acoustic piano. Plus, the Bluetooth capability lets you connect wirelessly to music apps, providing a fun way to learn and create. Its compact design means it folds down to just 24.8 x 8 x 4.7, weighing only 10.05 pounds, which is fantastic for traveling musicians. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get the feel of a grand piano without the bulk. However, some reviews mention that the Bluetooth connection can be a bit finicky sometimes. I understand that can be frustrating, but if you're not reliant on Bluetooth for your playing, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a full piano experience in a portable package. Skip this one if you're looking for something with guaranteed seamless connectivity. Overall, for the features, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're after even more innovative technology in your piano, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, Fingerballet Portable Piano. The Fingerballet Portable Piano comes in at $198.91 and offers a premium feel with its wood grain finish. This caught my attention because it combines elegance and functionality. If you're looking for a piano that balances style and portability, this one deserves your attention. This model features 88 semi-weighted keys, allowing for expressive playing. One standout feature is the Bluetooth MIDI capability, which allows you to connect to various DAWs without the hassle of wires. With 128 tones and rhythms, along with 20 demo songs, you can explore different styles and learn with ease. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You're not just getting a piano, you're getting a creative tool that fits your lifestyle. That said, some users found that the keys felt a bit stiff compared to traditional pianos. Now I'll be real with you. While this might be a concern for some, it's also an opportunity for you to develop your finger strength and technique. This is perfect for you if you value elegance and functionality in a portable package. Skip this one if you're a purist who only wants traditional key feel. For the features and style, it's a worthwhile purchase. Alright, if you want something even more compact and budget-friendly, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, Donner 61 Key Folding Keyboard. Lastly, we have the Donner 61 Key Folding Keyboard, priced at $123.19. This one is all about portability and ease of use, making it great for kids and beginners. If you want something that won't take up much space and is easy to move around, this is a solid pick. The Donner features 61 velocity-sensitive keys that give you a taste of a real piano. Its ultra-thin design folds down easily, making it a breeze to transport. With Bluetooth for audio and MIDI, you can connect to apps for a more interactive experience. It also boasts 128 tones and 21 demo songs, allowing you to play and explore different genres. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's lightweight and easy to use, perfect for those just starting out or those who need a portable option. However, some users indicated that the sound quality isn't as robust as more expensive models. I get it, when you're investing in a piano, sound matters. But let's face it, if you're a beginner or looking for something to learn, this keyboard delivers great value for its price. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, portable option for learning to play. Skip this one if you're a more experienced player who demands richer sound quality. Honestly, for the features it offers, it's a fantastic deal. So to quickly compare all 5, the AI Joy Asp 10F is great for portability, while the JTSIOV 61 Key Keyboard excels in interactive learning. The EYTSC 88 Key Folding Piano offers a full-sized experience, the Fingerballet Portable Piano brings elegance, and the Donner 61 Key is perfect for beginners on a budget. On the flip side, I'd avoid the JTSIOV if you need more than 61 keys for serious playing. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.